In this problem, a pharmacy sells two brands of aspirin. Brand A sells for $1.25 per bottle, and brand B sells for $1.50 per bottle. In part A, we're going to find the revenue function for aspirin. And in part B, what is the revenue for aspirin if 100 bottles of brand A and 150 bottles of brand B are sold? In general, in part A, we're gonna find the function, the revenue function. Let's see. We're gonna name it the R, but depends on both brand A and brand B. And then next, we're gonna evaluate the revenue function using the quantity for the brand A as 100 and quantity for the brand B as 150. That means we're gonna have to introduce the variables which are the independent variable. So let X represent the number of bottles of brand A sold and Y be the number of bottles of brand B sold. That means our revenue, which is the R function, depends on both X and Y. And the number of the brand A, which is the X, where the cost is $1.25. Also, the quantity of the brand B is Y, and the cost is the price is 150 cents. So now we have the revenue function for aspirin for both brand A and brand B. So this is part A. And then in part B, we're gonna find the revenue where the number of the bottles of the brand A is 100 or when X is 100 and the number of the brand B, which is 150. So we're gonna evaluate the equation that we got in part A by replacing X with 100 and replacing Y with 150. To get the number as the first one, 1.25 times 100 is 125, and 150 times 1.5 is 225. The sum of these two numbers come out to be 350. So now we have the revenue for aspirin if 100 bottles of brand A and 150 bottles of brand B are sold.